Kia ora mai tātou katoa ki ngā akonga o te ropu tui, ki tēnei ako, ko star tēnei, nau mai, haere mai, e hoa mā. So this is a tutorial on how to use your folder inside the Te Reo website. So over here, this is what it looks like. Obviously you've made it to this point already, following the guide that's been handed out at the classes. And so you click on the blue links here to take you to the link pages. And so we'll have a look at the workbooks for TUI at the moment. And so here's all the workbooks in here. You simply just click on the download link, any one of these for the workbook 7, workbook 8, our Himine book, Karakia book, and our Mihi books as well. So you simply hit the download link and it'll download it to your computer or your device, whichever device you're on. In the computer you'll get a link on the left hand side of your screen that you can click on, and these are PDF copies of the workbook, so you can print them out as you need, or you can just view a digital copy straight on your computer if you like. If you are using an Android device, you do need to download an app that will read PDF files in the Play Store, and so that's that. And so you can just on your computer you can just scroll down this bar here and just scroll down and view the different pages in the PDF file, and you can hit the link to print it off if you need another copy for whatever reason. Okay, kia ora. And so I'll close that link down. So to get back into your folder, you simply go to the left where the related link buttons are, and you just hit your the Te Reo Advanced class again, and that'll take it back to where you were. Now if you want to view some audios, you click on the audio for TUI, and as you can see there's nothing in here, but audio will be added at some stage when we get them off our kaiako. And so we'll just click over to the beginners class where they've got a whole heap of audio in there, and I'll just run you through the tutorial on how to do that. And so when you click on audio, it'll look similar to this, and down here we'll use this as an example audio. So basically you just click on the play button and it'll play the audio for you. Now I don't know if you can hear this through my microphone, but it's definitely coming out on the computer speakers. And so if you want an audio copy of that to download so you can listen to it on your phones or on your computer later on, you just click on the download link once again and it'll download it to your computer or device. And on your computer you'll have that link just down the bottom of your left screen here. So you simply click on that and it'll play it for you again, so you can listen to that offline if you've got no internet. Okay, and so usually on a computer and on Android devices, to find those audios again, you usually click on the computer, you click on your icon and look for your downloads folder, and they usually download it straight to your folder there, and you can just find them there if you want to listen to them later or put them into other folders. Pretty much the same with the Android device, but I will have to double check that. Yeah, so we'll close out of that. We'll go back into the TUI Advanced class folder by hitting that link. Oh, actually I should mention that if there's a lot of audios in here for whatever reason, there will be an article index for the Tākehia class. I've set up it page by page in their workbooks, so they can click on place names and it will go straight to that. So have something similar set up in the TUI audio folder. You can go to greetings, this is for the Tākehia class, and all the audio that has been uploaded for the greetings are right there. So same again, you just click on it. So we'll head back over to the TUI folder, and right at the bottom is the homework for the TUI class. And so you simply click on that, and there will be updates every week on what the homework's going to be. That's just for those ones like me that put the paper in their pocket and the next minute they wash it with their clothes. So if you're like me and you're like, oh man, what was the homework again? You can simply come to the website and all the homework will be written up there for you to view. And so you'll know what you have to do for the following week. So there'll be no excuses here, your homework should be done. Ka pai. And so that's pretty much it for the tutorial. The tutorial will be embedded in here somewhere, and yeah, so the tutorial will be here somewhere, and then you can just click on it to view it, and it'll run you through that. Tēnā koutou, e hoa mā.